So over here you can see that I am in the home page of Evernote, and if I were to go around and create a new note right here, then what happens is that a new note is made and it is there in my default note. So if I were to go around over here, then you can see that the note that I made gets collected right here. Let me just go around onto let's say home page right here, click on note, and if I were to go around and type in, let's say for example, tutorial example right here, then what happens is that it gets created on this default note right here. TutorTube example is here. So if you want to change around like the default note there is, then you can go around onto a notebook that you want to set as default, and then you can go around over here onto more actions. And once you do that, what happens is that you can see that you can set this as the default notebook right here. So now what happens is that that has been set as the default notebook, and you can see a star icon right here denoting that it is the default notebook. So if I were to go around onto the home page, go to new and create a new note right here and type in something like, let's say for example, tutor tube channel right here. So this is going to be my notebook. And now what happens is that under the new notebook, you can see that TutorTube channel has been created. And that is how you can set a default notebook so that all of the notes that you create gets collected in that particular notebook inside of Evernote. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.